Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what a blessing, an honor, and a privilege it is to come to you every week as your mayor and to share with you the great things happening in our community. First of all, congratulations, parents. Congratulations, young people. School is back in session, and we've had a great start. Thank you for your dedication and commitment to learning and involving yourself in all kinds of great activities. And thank you to those in our school system, those who are leading our school, those who are teaching in the classrooms, those who are coaching and guiding our extracurricular. We appreciate you and we thank you for what you do. Let's talk real quick about some of the activities going on. First of all, we've got football, volleyball, cross country. Good luck to all you athletes and co-patriots. And hey, every other school, let's do our best to make sure that our schools are proud of us and our communities support us. Then I also want to say a big thank you. Wow, the FFA did such a great job with our Summer Stampede. Congratulations to you all. What a wonderful crowd. Thanks for supporting. And a great rodeo. It was very fun out at the Ag Center. Also, don't forget that we had a really good blood drive. Thank you to Lifestyle for coming out and being a part of that. Thank you to the Biscuits for honoring Pike Road with our community night. We're so appreciative of all the things that we have the opportunity to do in Pike Road. Now let's move on to talk real quick about the Art Council. They have an every Wednesday luminous watercolor class that's going on right now. If you want to jump in, then contact them at pikeroad.us. Go to the Art Council link there off of under Enhance and let them know they might be able to find a seat for you. Also on August 19th, right now, we have the availability for you to sign up for your Hey Look at Us hay bale. So make sure you get registered. Make sure you're a part of that wonderful fall tradition in Pike Road that brings so many people to our town, showcases our hospitality, shows how much we love each other and work together. Over 1,000 people involved last year. That's over 10% of our town. How cool is that? September 10th is the deadline, so make sure you're signing up and participating in that fabulous, uniquely Pike Road experience. Hey, look at us. August 27th, we have a new Ag Stewardship Program, Introduction to Beekeeping. Our friends at the Extension Service are so great to work with us. Make sure you sign up for that. What a neat hobby, or what a great way to make a little extra money through the honey you might be able to sell. Beekeeping classes. Also, let us know if you have other ideas from natural resource and agriculture side that you'd like us to host. We want to make sure we're doing all the things we can to strengthen our community's love for each other and our love for our community. Don't forget also that September 6th, we are starting the My Pike Road Youth Art Contest program, and starting it now. And by September 6th, we hope you'll have turned in your design as a student in our school. We want to make sure that we pick the right process and put the right process in place so we can pick the best possible selection from our young people, so that we make sure that the shirts that dedicate and showcase the Plein Air event in Pike Road, another uniquely Pike Road event, that they have on them a connection back to our school system. So we're asking our kids to submit, our young people, our students, to submit an art design for the back of the shirts. Let me make that clear, kind of clear this up. By September 6th, if you'd like to participate as a young person, as a student, in designing some artwork for the back of our t-shirts to promote Plein Air, send them in to us. That's what that basically is. You can find out more by emailing us at info@pikeroad.us. Also, September 13th is the deadline to submit your orders for bricks for the Veterans Celebration. That is such a special event. Another one of Pike Road's really profile activities. People from all over the river region come and participate, and we want you to know that you can honor a veteran, someone special in your life, but you got to turn those in by September 13th, and they can then participate in the brick program and the Walk of Honor. Finally, September 19th, we have a training program, or a kind of a behind-the-scenes look at what Plein Air really is, hosted by our friend Craig Reynolds and other friend Perry Austin. It's a 3-day workshop. Make sure you sign up. Contact the Art Council. They'll love to have you involved. Craig and Perry are so great at what they do, and it's a wonderful way to learn. Plein Air will be here soon, very soon, and it's a wonderful fall event for those of us in Pike Road. Yeah, we got so much going on. So excited to be your mayor. So excited about all the things we have. So many things we're doing in Pike Road right now. You see dirt being moved. You see new opportunities busting out of the ground. It's a fun time to be in Pike Road. But let's not forget. Let's take care of each other. So we'll pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.